Today is my first solo flight. Let's see how it goes. On the designated day, the instructor simply gets out of the plane and you fly alone.
Good luck. Do good. I'm going to keep watching you.
I requested takeoff clearance, and the first part of the flight went smoothly.
16 left, clear for takeoff, follow traffic left, close traffic, 7 Quebec Foxtrot.
My task was to take off from the airport, make a circuit, and land the plane on my own. After receiving landing clearance,
16 left, clear for the option number 2, 7 Quebec Foxtrot.
I started preparing the plane for landing. The landing wasn't ideal, but for a first attempt, it was fine. And as is tradition among pilots, they cut a piece of my shirt with the date that I'll remember for a long time.